today news is SpaceX rocket has blasted off carrying a replacement crew to the International Space Station, which paves the way for NASA astronauts Butch Wilmore and Sunny Williams to come home. The pair have been on the space station since June when their original 8-day trip was extended to more than 9 months after problems with their spacecraft. Our science editor Rebecca Morrell has the story ignition and heading to the International Space Station on board 4 astronauts at the start of their journey, but their departure also marks the beginning of the end for another mission that's grabbed the world's attention. NASA astronauts Sunny Williams and Butch Wilmore have now been on the space station for more than 9 months. They were only supposed to be there for a few days. Now the arrival of the replacement crew means that they can finally head home. We came up prepared to stay long, even though we plan to stay short. That's what we do in human space flight. That's what your nation human space flight program is all about, planning for unknown and unexpected contingencies. This might be my last flight. That's little said. I am trying to not to think about it too much. Being in space is just pretty spectacular. Butch and Sunny mission began in June on a test flight of a new Boeing spacecraft, but after technical problems, NASA decided the capsule was too risky to bring them home, so it came back without them. Touchdown Stellar is back on Earth. NASA opted for the next planned SpaceX flight to bring their home instead, but its return journey was always for now. The NASA pair have taken their extended stay in their stride, but a fellow astronaut and friend says it's the simplest of things that they be looking forward to. You missed the basic things about life here on Earth. You missed. I know. I had an email from Sunny just the other day where she talked about missing sitting on the porch in her house in Maine with the dogs and smelling the fresh air, feeling the sun on your face. Mean all those things are you long for, and that's normal. Mean I had that some kind of feeling when I came back from long duration mission. It won't be long for the pair. Now a last look at the spectacular views, and after a few days of handling our to the replacement crew, Butcher and Sunny can't start their journey back. Thank you.